Welcome to MCQs for Judiciary Exams program. Today's first question is, which section of the Guardianship and Wards Act 1890 provides matters to be considered while appointing a guardian? Option A, Section 17. Option B, Section 36. Option C, Section 37. Option D, Section 38. The correct answer is Option A, Section 17. Recently, the Allahabad High Court, in the matter of Amit Dama versus Srimati Pooja and two others, held that merely because the daughter had been in the father's custody for some time was not sufficient reason to deny custody to the mother. As per Section 17 of the Guardianship and Wards Act, 1890 provides matters to be considered while appointing a guardian. Second question is, which provision provides for temporary injunction? Option A, Section 38 of Specific Relief Act. Option B, Order 39 of Civil Procedure Code. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is Option B, Order 39 of Civil Procedure Code. Recently, the Supreme Court, in the case of Krishna Chandra Behra and others versus Narayan Nayak and others, held that suit for injunction simpliciter can be filed only if the defendant does not raise any dispute with regard to title of the property. Order 39 of Civil Procedure Code 1908 provides for temporary injunction. Third question is, according to Section 3, Subsection 4 of the MTP Act, whose consent is mandatory for termination of pregnancy in case of a woman who is mentally ill? Option A, only woman's consent. Option B, only guardian's written consent. Option C, both woman's and guardian's consent. Option D, either woman's or guardian's consent. The correct answer is Option B, only guardian's written consent. Section 3, Subsection 4 Clause A of MTP Act 1971 specifically states that for a woman who is a mentally ill person, the pregnancy shall not be terminated except with the consent in writing of her guardian. This is a protective provision ensuring that vulnerable individuals have proper representation in such important medical decisions. The same requirement applies to women under 18 years of age. Fourth question is, which section under BNS deals with harboring offender? Option A, Section 246. Option B, Section 247. Option C, Section 248. Option D, Section 249. The correct answer is Option D, Section 249. Section 249. 249 under BNS deals with harboring offender. This section punishes whoever harbors or conceals a person whom he knows or has reason to believe to be the offender, with the intention of screening him from legal punishment. Last question is, according to Section 44 of the Indian Partnership Act 1932, the court may dissolve a firm on the suit of a partner on any of the following grounds. Option A, insanity. Option B, permanent incapacity. Option C, breach of agreement. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is Option D, all of the above. Section 44 of the Indian Partnership Act 1932 outlines the circumstances under which a court may dissolve a partnership firm. This provision ensures that the partnership can be dissolved in cases where the partner has become of unsound mind, permanently incapable of performing his duties, and willfully or persistently commits breach of agreements. Now, it's time for practice question. In a valid contract, what from the following comes first? Option A, enforceability. Option B, acceptance. Option C, promise. Option D, proposal. Share your answers in the comment section. Thanks for watching.